Here are quick 5 benefits of buying a condo during the pre-selling stage. Number 1, you can choose your preferred unit with the best views, the best price, or even the layout you like. Sobrang sulit po ito, especially during the launch, dahil may first mover advantage ka po. Number 2, makaka-avail ka po ng interest-free at magaan na monthly amortization habang under construction pa po yung condominium project. Pwede po itong tumagal from 2 years hanggang 8 years. Number 3, lock in mo na po agad yung price ng pre-selling property at makikinabang ka pa po sa capital appreciation. Hindi mo pa po kailangang mabayaran ng buo yung property in cash. Number 4, makakapag-prepare ka pa po for the lump sum or final balance at the end of the down payment term. Pwede po itong through cash payment, bank financing, o kahit pag-ibig financing for accredited projects. At number 5, may flexibility ka po to sell the ownership ng property bago mo pa po mabayaran ng buo o ma-take out yung loan. Siguraduhin mo lang po na nabayaran mo na ang admin fees, taxes, at may willing buyer na mag-a-assume ng property mo. Follow for more condo investment learnings.